Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to explain ICC again. I've explained it before. I've explained indication, correction, continuation. It's a trading strategy owned by Trade by Side. So I'm going to explain it again. One of the most easiest trading strategy you can ever, use. So the ICC means, the I means indication, the C means correction, continuation. The last C means continuation. So I've explained it. I did a separate video that I explained indication, then correction and continuation. But now I want to just use the trade I'm currently on now, using ICC to tell you, to explain to you, to show you how it works and to show that it's one of the most easiest among all the strategy and it works perfectly well. So, but the strategy work perfectly on indices. I'm using it to even trade crash 300. So it works very well. I use it to trade anything. So far, it's just market structure. So I'm going to explain to you. So and secondly, here is that if you pay attention to this video, I promise you are going to learn a lot of things. Most especially if you're a newbie, you are new to trading and you don't know your in and out. I'm telling you today, the best strategy to go for is ICC because it's very easy. So I'm not telling you this thing for you to pay me. I'm not selling anything to you. So I'm just telling you for you to check it and see how it works and come back and tell me thank you. Again, thirdly is please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is all you can do for me. So the lessons, the video I'm sending, the links is free. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I just started. So but I thank God for where we are today because by this time last month I was only person that used my second YouTube subscribe to this one. But now we have gotten to 157 subscribers. So with 23 videos, hopefully by the grace of God, we'll keep going higher. I do it free here. The lesson, I'm not gatekeeping anything. I'm sharing the whole ICC knowledge to everyone free. Then let's quickly go back to what we have today. Yeah. So this crashed 300 index. When I came to this, I saw that I missed out on this. Is the kind of trade I like taking. I missed out on it, and I'm somehow angry. Because as you mean, I did here, bro. See now, see the ICC setup here. Okay, let me first start telling you. Let me know, Rush. See, you see how the ICC works. Trade by side. If he's trading, he doesn't wait for uh reversal before he will enter trade. Anywhere he see indication, correction, and continuation being the strategy, he will just take the trade. But me, I love holding trade because I trade with small capital. I just started trading, so I have a little capital. So I like swing trading. So if you are the kind of person that you don't have much capital to just day trade, and catch the trend for the day and go off, and you want to swing trade, this video is for you. I have as low as 20. I started with as low as $22. Even till now, I have account that is on $20. I'm going to show you now. Okay, as you can see, this account is on $20 and I'm currently making $142. So you see, is what ICC can do for you. So this account is as low as $20. Yes, and I'm going to do this now. This 31 is I've been holding it for like days. So that is the kind of trade I like, see with the place I entered. Yes, and it's ICC setup. And I've been holding it. I've been holding it for days. You can check this 4 hours time frame. The same thing applicable to 51s. The same thing. This is the reason you should go for ICC. So that's all. So without wasting much time, let's quickly go back to what we have today. Explaining to you why I love trading using ICC to find a reversal instead of just finding a day trade because I don't have enough money to trade. So as you can see, this market is selling down all the way from this place. This is the kind of market I like, entering. Selling down, selling down. We're just following it because I know if this market should sell down with this volume, definitely it will go back. Then if I want to I did not catch the buys. That is why I say I'm angry because this ICC setup, a very nice ICC setup. As you mean I'm in this trade now, hold it. And from this place now, From this place you're saying to this place will be giving me about $300 with just a trade that I will enter with $20. Bro, if you know how this thing I'm doing, if you know how many traders now, all these influencers now, we know if you do them. Most of these people you are looking up to, they cannot swing trade, they cannot hold a trade. They don't know how to hold a trade for like 3 days, 4 days. But I'm doing it. I can hold a trade for even 3 weeks, getting to 1 month. Once I don't catch the trend in daily time frame, I'm not daily time frame my day. See, 24 hours is daily time frame. Once I don't catch it, I can hold it, follow what the market is giving me. If market tells me to leave, I will leave. Market will always tell you what to do, and it's only ICC that will teach you that. So please, if you want to learn this ICC, just comment link. I'll send you a link to my YouTube channel. To my Telegram. My YouTube channel, just search Trades by Nova. Then you'll see my YouTube channel. So let me show you how I would have taken this trade now. As you mean, say I've been, see I'm on time. So in ICC, you go just, if markets they sell down like this, if you are looking for a reversal for buy reversal, you just follow the support and resistance or highs and low. We call it in ICC high, swing high, and swing low. So this is my swing high. Let me mark my swing low, and this is my swing low. Like the first swing high and the first swing low that the market gave me immediately after selling with power to this, with volume to this side, it stopped here. But I mark the place it first stop, then mark the place it got to before pushing down to this place. I don't know if you guys are not seeing it. Let me zoom it. I mean, it's better now, but so how do you now find your ICC setup here? Market break this downside. Remember, you were looking for a reversal to the buy side. So nothing concerns you. If you're still breaking the down part, you should not focus more on it. So you break the down part, giving you what? Indication here. Sell indication, correction, and fail to continue. That is this indication, correction, and continuation. So, but even if it continues, I'll just be marking it, following it, because I don't care about the selling. I only care about the reversal. Now, market have sold with a lot of volume. So you should focus more in looking for what? The buy entry. So I followed it. It gave me this high. No, I just want to explain this in a way you guys will understand. Let me use another method. I want everyone to understand this thing, how easy it is. This is low. But then it gave us high. Give us another low. Breaking this one, which means the selling is still valid. Give us another low. Went up, which is normal thing that it's supposed to do. Give us high. Now it's supposed to do what? Give us what? Another low. And give us another high. And give us another low. That is if you want to continue selling. You see? Which means the selling is still valid now. But he failed to do that. You see? That he failed to do that and do what? Let me now show you what market did. That made me now see ICC set up here. This is low. This is high. This is low. This is high. Then it's supposed to give us low, and he failed to do that and give us a higher low. Because now this low is higher than this. This is now a higher low. Whenever you see this kind of thing, which means market is not trying to continue selling that again. They've been selling for a long time now. You want to go on an uptrend. This is a higher low. Then when you get a higher low, you will not totally say, I've seen it all, or it's a buy setup in ICC already. What you just do, you wait for it to break a swing high, being this one. Then you use this is the break here. Then you now break it, giving us indication. This is what we call indication. Then correction is coming down to that place. Then continuation is, going up again. But this is 24 hours being daily time frame. So when you get indication in daily time frame, if you are looking for a reversal in daily time frame, if you get an indication, that is when market break a swing high. Remember, you don't break this place. This is a swing high. Indication, how to know indication is when, for example, you see what market did here. It was selling, push up, push down again, then push up again, which is downtrend, and fail to do what? Push down and stop here. But this is now when you pay more attention. If you break this place now, remember we're looking for buy indication. Market was selling from this place. Now we're looking for buy indication. If you break this place, this this high that you make now is your indication. Say you can't break them. Now what you do here? You see in break them. So immediately when break them, I don't mark them immediately. I go mark them as my what? Indication. You see? Is now my indication because it break a swing high. If this market want to continue selling, it will do what? If you want to continue selling, it will not start breaking highs. So if you as now that this thing don't break high now, what will you do now? You will now wait for it. You not totally say, okay, you go and enter buy immediately. This is breakout. You not just totally say, okay, you have seen ICC. The only thing you don't see now your words, your indication. Let me try to type it out. You have seen your what? I. This is now your I. You see? What next will you look for? Your C. That is your correction. Correction is what? Coming back to that place that I break out from. Don't worry, this video is going to be long, but it's going to worth it. Trust me. Except if you are not someone that wants to be successful in trading. If you are, just pay attention and learn. So now we have seen our indication, correction. What are we looking for? Our continuation. How do you know that your continuation is over? Remember, continuation is selling. You see indication, then continuation is selling. That is, which is this thing. What you'll be seeing is where market is doing up, down, up, down. That is downtrend. Sorry, I'm not good in drawing. So how do you know that your continuation is over? Is when you start seeing it stop breaking lows again. The same thing that happened here. When it start breaking highs again, you see? So you will see it. If you want to enter continuation, it will fail to stop breaking lows. Start breaking highs. It will break the high, come down again, break the high, come down again. Immediately come up to this place again. Is your what? Sorry. Is your what? Your continuation. The last C. What is hard about this, bro? Why are you looking for fair value gap? Why are you looking for which other one again? Your other block. You don't need all these things, bro. I swear. You see? ICC. If you don't understand what I'm saying, bro, just comment, explain more. I'm not doing anything. I go explain, give you. My trade is going on. It's going perfectly well. So I just have more. I have time to, I've been holding it since 3 days. I've not been trading. I've not been on the chart looking for. What I'll just come and check is it breaking structure? It's not breaking structure. Then I'll continue holding, waiting for it to hit my TP. As me say there's alarm, now alarm will have supposed to pay, but this trading view, this derived trading view, they get alarm like the other one, normal trading view. So this is ICC. Then you enter immediately. Don't fear. Don't fear. You enter here. You see? Keep your stop loss below this last swing low that I gave you. Last support level. Just keep it there. No fear. No fear. No fear at all. No fear, brother. Okay, let me show you how I would have used this thing here now. You see? When did it? Here is it. And I'll hold it because this is where the trend started. I'll hold it. I'll be following it till I will see a reversal. See, at least I'll target this one. Let me not be greedy. Here is enough. Let me say, here. She say I suppose don't hit TP since. So let me now. What I need to now show you is how you go back to 4 hours bar, because I never explained that one. I can't remember how you go back to 4 hours to find this correction. Let me clear everything. So in this place now, this is our indication, our I, our C, first C, and coming above this place is our second C. That is indication because it break above this place. Correction because it entered here. You did not enter here now because they feel like say you know enter here because we did higher time frame like daily time frame. If you go down to 4 hours now, you go see say he enter here. In do the same thing. Okay, let me just go back. Go back to 4 hours instead of 4 hours. Enter. I went back so much. Here you see the same thing I just explained. The same thing I just explained. Market is doing give you up, down, up. Instead of you to give it down and continue doing what? Moving up, and it failed to do that and give you what? Indication, correction. Coming to this place, bro. You enter. What is that about this, bro? What is that? ICC is the best, bro. See as I explain this thing, and somebody be like, it's easy for you to do this. Bro, Ashmin say, don't worry, I go show you the one right there now. I don't share been don't show yourself already. They do this thing on a daily. You see, the reason why I'm not this super rich, I know some of you will be like, okay, you know all this thing and you're not rich. I feel like it's because I'm still trading small accounts. And again, this is just my 5 months of, it's not even 5 months, this is just my 3 months of learning and 2 months of trading. So can you imagine if I carry this kind of brain now, enter 3 years in trading? And I'm not, and one thing that I will also say is the reason why I have not been this super rich in trading is because I know they rush. They like follow my risk management because if I come the risk they do, if I carry small money, I go take them to this thing without following my risk management. Now where you get, you go affect me when I get money. Now why are they doing with small money now? They manage risk small. They manage risk. If I have $10 accounts, I go know how I go take use that $10. Sorry for the pidgin English, brother. I believe you are understanding me. So I just want you all to know how to trade. That's all. So let me show you how we would have entered this trade now. Or okay, let me withdraw this thing now to show you what I'm saying. You see, market break. Market was selling, and we are looking for reversal. We are looking for reversal. You see, market was selling down to this place. So let's say you got to this place, push up, come down again, push up. What do you think it will do? You're supposed to push down here. Remember, that is what he did here. He break this one. You see? But he did not do that again. Which means he's no more selling. He's no more trying to sell. But you not totally conclude now until you see it break a high. That is when you see, I've seen my indication. You see? Look at this. He came and break this high now. This is your indication, brother. This is your indication. This is your eye, your indication for it to break. Markets where they say no suppose they break highs, but now it's breaking highs, which means it's no more selling. Then you allow it to give you correction. Don't rush it. Take your time. It's 4 hours. Just come back to it. As you mean say now trading, normal trading view, I will use just set your alarm. Whenever your alarm hits, you just come back to chat. But now this one did not have alarm. What will you do? You just constantly come back to it to know what is happening. Market structure will not lie to you. People are just overthinking trading. They're just making trading hard. It's not hard, bro. Market structure will not lie to you. Market just told me what he want to do. He was selling, but she was selling. But now he stopped selling by breaking highs. He told me, okay, brother, I don't want to do what? I don't want to continue selling again. That's why I'm breaking highs. I say, okay, let me wait for Nami could go and tell him, all right, now, I no go rush, they follow you. Or you give me correction now. You go first come give me correction. I will tell him, so yeah, brother, give me continuation. I'm going to give you continuation. It's coming back above this place. Coming above this place. Immediately you see candle close here. Even if you know close, if you go down to lower time frame now, I don't want to like, you see, I just use 4 hours and daily to even explain trading for you. I'm not going to 15 minutes. If I go down to 1 hour now, you see a change of the same thing, the same ICC setup will be here inside this place now. It will be here. It will be here. You will see when this market was selling, and got to this place and stopped selling and start breaking highs. It's inside here, but I don't want to go down, and I don't want this video to be that long. Because if I go down to 1 hour, I'll have to scroll from there again and start looking for this place again. So just know this thing. If you go down to your 1 hour time frame, you see the same ICC setup. This is 4 hours now. I explained in daily. Daily gave us the same indication, correction, and continuation. Then this is 4 hours, the same thing. So if you go down to 1 hour, you see the same thing. Even in 15 minutes, ICC is everywhere. But I don't like trading with 15 minutes. I don't even like trading with 1 hour again. Sef. I like holding trade for days. It gives me joy, bro. You just wake up in the morning, you go and see your money, they increase. If they reverse, you go be like, okay, let me check the reason why the money is decreasing. You go and check, see, say, maybe it don't give you indication, then it's correction, then it's about to enter continuation. If you enter continuation, the money go add more. So coming above this place, you enter. You enter, brother. You see? Very soon, you all will know who I am. I swear, because the way I'm going to make this trading thing easier. Oh, God. See, just imagine. Say, I know 2 degrees. Say, I just come out here. You know how much this thing is? Look at the risk reward. But I will still hold more. I will still hold more. Reason is because I love swing trading. I love holding it for days. I will still hold more because there's no any sign of reversal here. The same thing. Market is still doing what? The same, breaking highs here. Once it's breaking highs, okay, look at this place. It break low. But it gave you indication, went on a correction, but did not give you continuation. That is why you just hold more, because it did not give you continuation. Once you did not see that ICC, don't bother yourself. Keep holding till you see the sell ICC when it start breaking structure. Keep holding. Keep holding. Don't be afraid. If they trade ICC, no be all this too many story. This ICC. Keep holding, brother. Let's check the risk reward now. You see? Just imagine. Just imagine. And you tell me ICC is not the best. It's not the best. So, what is again? Aka. If you dey hear Igbo, it dey your hand for English to whether learn, follow the moving train, or go and be doing a break of structure, fair value gap, other block, or they do join my cycle. I just made 100 and something K. Bro, if I get to, okay, let me now be sincere with you guys. The reason why I'm charging now is because I'm still scaling up. As you can see, my account is as low as $20 because I've been trading and withdrawing. Like I did trade, I did withdraw, they settle some kind of things. But a day I will have something like 5K sitting in my trading account, brother. I will stop charging for mentorship. Now I'm just charging for mentorship because I'm still scaling up. Number one. Number two is because of people don't value free things. I've said this over and over again, and I've seen it. People don't value free things. They will prefer to go and meet all these people that is showing them cars than to learn from someone that is giving you vital information, like very important information.